Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this road rash look. I was starting off like glam, like this pretty girl, got into an accident, blah, 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 backstory, whatever. But that's what we're going to do today. Hopefully you enjoy this look. Remember to subscribe down below. If you do, you are automatically entered to win my next giveaway. All you have to do is be a U.S. citizen, and I'll probably have you do, like, leave your Instagram handle or whatever. But we're in spooky season, so we're starting the, the Halloween looks, the fun. Yeah? Okay. If you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so don't miss out on that. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna go into the Essentials palette. And I feel like we're going to take a small pencil brush to start off with, if I can find it. We're going to go into Cinnamon. And just in case you guys are wondering, I did contact them and tell them that this was broken, and they replaced the broken palette. So that was really nice of BoxyCharm. Alright, now I'm going to take a fluffier brush into Dusty Rose. Kind of attempt to blend that out. I'm gonna go back into Cinnamon and just kind of like make sure it's there. Now I'm going to take Berry Plum, and I'm just going to take it on my pinky finger and place that right on the lid. I think that's gorgeous. It is a very pretty fall color. A little bit of cream right there. Not every look has to be so intense, if you know what I mean. Like, this is still really pretty without trying too hard. So we're going to be trying fake scars for the first time on here, or at all, and I don't know exactly how to do it, so I'm just gonna speed through this and you guys are gonna watch me struggle. So that is the finished look, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. It's spooky season, guys. Who's ready? Oh, goodness. If you are the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so don't miss out on that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.